Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Want to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to do the How Pinterest Sees Me trend. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do this trend, you just simply have to open your CapCut application at first, and after that go to templates. Now into the templates, just simply search for How Pinterest See Me. And you can choose the template that you like from here. I'm choosing this template here. In order to do this, you will need the pictures or videos of animal, place, plant, character, season, hobby, food, color, and drink. Now, in order to complete this, you just simply have to open your Pinterest application and search for each of these and download the first picture that appears. Now let me do this real quick. Now I have downloaded all these mentioned pictures from the Pinterest. Now let's put it into this template. Click into this use template option, and then from here just simply select all of the given ideas from the Pinterest. Now click to next button and you will get the end results into this section. You can directly share it to the TikTok or save it to your device. Now in order to do the trend, just simply upload into your social medias, and this way you can easily do How Pinterest Sees Me trend. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.